So I want to show you guys this really nice add-on for Chrome. If you use, you can customize it as much as you want, but the shortcuts I've got are useful. If I right mouse click and drag up, it makes a new tab over there. If I right mouse click and drag down, it closes that tab. If I've got, say, 3 tabs, if I right mouse click and go to the right, it just jumps from tab to tab, left, right, like this. Very, very quick and easy. If I do let's just get rid of these ones. If I do a C, it goes to my coffee stuff. If I do a B, a small letter B, boom, boom, like that, it opens up Bard and goes straight to the chat thing, so I can just go B and then start typing a question for Bard. So you can do this to any web page or anything at all. I like this one here, home page, where it selects. It's got my shortcuts, but it's also got the URL already pre-selected, so I don't have to pick up the mouse, click in there, and start searching. I just start typing for a Google search. Yep, that's called AutoCorrect extensions. It's called AutoControl keyboard shortcut mouse gesture. It's superb.